garlic sauce with fasulye. Maybe I can move to Kos, huh? Work here.
Bueno, seyirler ya zaten iyi.
Look how beautiful this place is. So beautiful.
Hacer.
Who designed this place?
This is it's from the Ottoman period. It's more than 100 years.
Oh.
This is a farming house. The
Mm.
design is that in the winter they put the animals down inside.
Okay, the classical.
Yeah.
Okay, I
And
know.
they was using the heat of the animals.
Yeah, it's classical Ottoman.
Yeah.
But I think Greek people were also doing it.
Yeah. But the building itself is because I know the owner. Told me that he took it from the Ottoman.
Okay. I think you're going very fast. Let's go fast.
Άμα δεν κάνω
Faster.
έτσι, πες του Μανώλη.
Faster, huh?
δεν κάνω
Go
έτσι.
fast, go fast, go fast.
Δεν γίνεται.
You serve at 12 o'clock, I guess, huh?
We serve from 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Ah, you start serving at 6 o'clock. Okay. So today you will serve rabbit.
Today we will serve rabbit.
Rabbit
Yeah.
stifado
Of course.
that we cooked with your papa.
Αποστέριος.
How long are they? They're married for how long?
Πόσα χρόνια τώρα,
Τι?
παντρεμένοι.
49, θα κλείσουμε 25 Αυγούστου.
In 25 August they will be 49 years.
Ooh, wow. So long, huh? Hard days.
Good days and bad days.
Yeah, that's what marriage is.
Yeah. You're quite slow, I think.
Yeah, look at her. Look at me. Look at you and look at me.
Τόσο που έχω καθαρισμένα, πες του.
Okay, maybe I can cheat a little bit.
Τελειώσαμε. Οκ.
Okay, now we're going to boil
Τώρα
this.
τα πλένουμε.
Okay, let's go to boil.
The sauce is based on bread.
Bread.
Yeah, it's different. Normally the most common is with potato. The most easy, but this is different kind of garlic.
Okay. We use bread, garlic,
Oil,
Oil,
olive oil, and vinegar, and salt.
salt.
Yes.